Inshot has three parts. The first part is editing the video, the second part is the photo, and the third part is creating different photos. In the first part of the video, click on it and you can insert the videos saved in your gallery into the photo. There are those who left this shot for us to make our work easier. When we import a photo, it has several sections. The first section is the canvas. We can change other photos or videos, or change the background photo, or we can zoom in on the photos. There is a section that has been put in this shot for our convenience and it is not copyrighted. It has a section called Effect, which is like the sound of bells, rain, typing, etc. And there is another section to add songs, and if your song is a music video, you can. In this video, he only took out his music. There is also a section called Record, where you can add your own voice. In the second part of this screenshot, many stickers have been placed for our convenience. And a section for separating the background has been placed in the sticker section for censoring with zoom. There is also painting, and in that part that separates the photo from the background.